So this is how to generate a random number from 1 to 100 in Python. So it's very simple. What you need to do first is import the random module, import random. So like this, we've imported the random module, and now we can use our randomization or anything random inside of our Python code. So to generate a random number from 1 to 100 is very simple. This is what you just need to do. You say random dot choice, and then you say range 1 comma then 101. If you put 1 to 100, the problem with this is that it's going to generate a number between 1 and 99. So if you want to generate a random number between 1 and 100, what you need to do is, let me clear this right here. What you need to do is to add 101, and then you save this to a variable. Let's save this. Let's call this random int, and then let's go ahead and print this rand int. So when we run this code, you see it generates a random number every single time. Generate a random number, generate different random numbers. So let's say you are coding a game of dice and you want to generate a random number. It's very simple. Just say between 1 and 7, because you know a dice has only 6 sides. And you can only generate between 1 and 7. So when you say 1 to 7, just whenever you run this code, it just keeps generating a random number between 1 and 6. It will generate up to 7, between 1 and 6, between 1 and 6. So that's how to generate a random number in Python.